Welcome back, Smarties. This is Unusual Facts, and today we're talking about the smartest animals in the world. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and as always, hit that like button. We like you too. Thanks. So, intelligence has been defined in many different ways, including a person's capacity for logic, understanding, self-awareness, emotional knowledge, creativeness, planning, and problem solving. Scientists have been studying intelligence in animals for years, and some of the smallest animals have been found to have extraordinary cognitive ability. Most people consider humans to be the most intelligent animals by far, but there are a few animals that may come close to us in certain aspects. This is a list of the 10 smartest animals in the world. Number 10. Ravens. Scientists have recently discovered that ravens are incredibly intelligent creatures and may be on par with chimps. This is fascinating because many people believe that an animal with such a small brain wouldn't be able to compete with animals that have much larger brains. In reality, it's not the size of the brain that matters, but the neural density and brain structure. Scientists can test the intelligence of animals by testing their inhibitory control, which is the ability for animals to use reason to solve problems instead of following instincts. Many animals were presented with a transparent tube with food inside and 2 openings on each side of the tube. Most animals started trying to get the food directly and only hit the barrier. Ravens, on the other hand, chose to enter the tube from the side openings. Number 9. Elephant. Elephants are among the smartest animals and have displayed interesting and unique behavior. Elephants have the ability to recognize themselves in a mirror, something few animals can do. They've also been observed to use tools. They can create their own tools from things around them. For instance, one elephant was observed modifying a branch and using it as a fly swatter. Elephants can have cognitive maps, which allows them to remember large spaces over extensive periods of time. This could explain the common belief that elephants have great memories. It's unknown how many emotions elephants can feel. It's been observed that elephants would try to help a dying or dead elephant, which could show feelings of empathy, but this may not be the case. Number 8. Raccoons. Raccoons are especially cunning animals and may even be more cunning than the fox. In a study by the ethologist H.B. Davis in 1908, raccoons were able to open 11 of 13 complex locks in fewer than 10 tries and had no problems repeating the action when the locks were rearranged or even flipped upside down. Multiple studies conducted throughout the 20th century have shown that raccoons have an extraordinary memory and can remember the solutions to problems for up to 3 years. A study conducted by Beep Hole in 1992 found that raccoons were able to tell the difference between identical and different symbols after only a short learning period, and could still do this for 3 years after the initial learning session. Number 7. Dolphins. Dolphins are one of the smartest animals in the world, and they are known to teach each other. They can organize themselves to work in a team, and they even mourn the deaths of other dolphins. Dolphins have displayed the ability to understand and solve complex problems, and will even choose the I don't know option when they can't work out the answer, something many humans still haven't worked out how to do. Scientists have discovered that dolphins' brains have some similarities to our own. Dolphins have elongated spindle neurons in the neural cortex that were previously believed to be found in humans. In humans, these cells are used in social conduct, emotions, theory of mind, and judgment. Number 6. Dogs. Dogs learn by inference. A study with a dog named Rico showed that he could learn the names of 200 different items and then learned the names of novel items by exclusion, learning, and correctly retrieve those items. Another dog of smaller breed managed to learn 1,000 different words. Both of these dogs were border collies. Dogs are one of the smartest animals in the world, partly because of their exceptional memories. Dogs are also able to read and react appropriately to human behavior and body language. Domesticated dogs have become less intelligent in some aspects than wild dogs. Dogs that aren't domesticated have better problem-solving skills than domesticated dogs, and when faced with a problem they can't solve for the domesticated dog, will look at the human for an answer, whereas an undomesticated dog won't. Number 5. Great apes. Great apes are by far the smartest animals on Earth. They include both our cousins, the chimpanzees, but also humans. Chimpanzees are closely related to humans, and we even share 98% of the same genes. Chimpanzees have been observed making and using their own tools. They can also be taught how to use human tools. Humans have succeeded in teaching chimps sign language and simple mathematics. Chimps hunt collectively and can solve advanced problems. Chimps also have complex social lives where they form strong bonds and observe and elaborate hierarchical structure. Number 4. Rats. Rats have displayed interesting social behavior and intelligence. Rats will also look out for each other. When rats are presented with two options, one is freeing another rat from his cage and another is having some food. Many rats will first free the other rat and then share the food between themselves. 100% of the female rats displayed this behavior, but only 30% of the male rats did. Rats are considered highly intelligent rodents and even have similar learning abilities to dogs. Even more fascinating, rats are actually as smart as humans in some regards. When it comes to combing through different stimuli with a given situation, considering this, rats easily make the list of smartest animals. Number 3. Octopus. Octopuses are incredibly intelligent and are one of the smartest invertebrates in the world. Octopuses have displayed the ability to use both short and long-term memory. Many aspects of their intelligence and behavior is still a mystery to biologists and is not certain how much influence their intelligence has on their behavior. Unlike humans, octopuses don't learn from observing their parents and actually spend very little time with their parents. Octopuses have a very complicated nervous system, 2/3 of which is located in the nerve cords of its arms, which have limited functional autonomy. Number 2. Pigs. When it comes to domesticated animals, pigs may be the smartest animals known. An experiment conducted in the 1990s first discovered signs of their intelligence. Pigs were trained to move a cursor on a screen using their snouts and use the cursor to differentiate between symbols they recognized and ones they had seen for the first time. Pigs also have fascinating social lives. Female pigs will actually sing to their children to help them calm down. Pigs get along with each other really well and can actually communicate with each other through different noises. Pigs also know to leave excrement away from their homes and have trouble getting lost when they leave home. And number 1, squirrels. Squirrels are some of the most creative and smartest animals. They can come up with lots of creative ways to solve problems, especially when it comes to hiding and collecting food. Squirrels have exceptional memories and have worked out that burying their food is the best way to keep it safe. Squirrels can remember exactly where they buried every single piece of food. Squirrels also use tricks to hide their food from other squirrels. They will fake bury their food to make it harder for other squirrels to steal from them. Thank you for watching our video, and please subscribe to Unusual Facts and hit the notification button so you can never miss any video from us. Thank you.